Well, team, in this video, we are going to be discussing wealth step by step, creating wealth and financial freedom. You're in the right place at the right time to hear about an incredible system with an incredible pay plan. Wealth step by step has been around for some years now, and we could not be more excited about what we've got going on with the pay plan, the health products, the value, the service. We even have discounts on traveling and staying in different places. So we're very excited. So this video here that we're doing today is for one of our team members, Quang. This video is for Quang. If you're going to join Wealth Step by Step, we want you to join with Quang. His information will be below the video. Get started with Quang today. Wealth Step by Step, folks, was created to help people succeed in network marketing and financial freedom. You can start for just $28, folks. It's just absolutely incredible. This is our website. When you join Wealth Step by Step, you're going to get a website that looks just like this. We have the pay plan, the wealth, the products, the customers, the marketing, the videos, and all of this information is in this website. Our team is going to step further. We have optional marketing materials available for you. When you get a chance, folks, we want you to check out the pay plan. Check out our products, what customers are saying, our marketing, and we have other videos. Our pay plan, folks, is just absolutely a very exciting pay plan. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to go into a lot of it, but when you get a chance, you can take a look at the pay plan. We have this matrix here. It's a 3x7 matrix. It's just very exciting to see what's possible with Wealth Step by Step. Now, I would tell you that with Wealth Step by Step, our team has went a step further. We've created a additional marketing system that you can mail postcards or flyers. You can market it online or offline. We'll put this link below the video, yourplantowealth.com. Also, it highlights some of the benefits for becoming a Wealth Step by Step member. Airfare, you can save on hotels, restaurant, shopping, and many other things. You will also find the discount tab in the back office. And folks, you can all get started for $28 per month. So this is going to be an additional residual income stream that you can utilize in your portfolio of work and home businesses. Our friends over at My Capture page has created an additional marketing system. Let me show you. This is our landing page. Now, this is optional to the marketing system that's provided by the company. You can get this system also. It says Dream Big. Here's the Capture page. You can make up to $9,873 per month income mailing our postcards and or flyers. You can also run traffic online, post ads, share it with others, however you see fit to get people in it. The goal is to get people to put their name and their email address in. Once they do that, it will take them to this page here. This page here will do all the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. It talks about wealth step by step, A to Z. We're going to play that video in just a minute. Also, what we are most excited about is the member benefits, the savings plan, how you can save on the airfare, hotels, restaurants, and you can sell benefits that sell for $50 a month up in other places. You can get all this for $28. Folks, it's a game changer. So we're excited about that. Here's the Wealth Step by Step matrix, and when you get a chance to study this, how this matrix works, 3 on your first level. Your next level, you're going to have 9. It's going to branch out to 27, 81 on the 4th level. On the 5th level, 243. On the 6th level, you've got 729 people. On the 7th level, you've got 2,187 people. And you can get started. When you get this website, if you decide to get it, it's totally optional. Again, it's going to take you to the website right here. So we'll put Quang links below the video. But however, let's play this video. I'm going to show you a little bit more about what Step by Step is about, and then we're going to end the video.
The cost of living is continuing to rise, and unemployment is a constant threat. The entire industry is downsizing. Let me ask you a question. If you lost your job tomorrow and couldn't find work, say for 8 weeks, would you have enough money saved to survive? Yes or no? If the answer is no, then you need a plan B, and you need to start building your own stream of monthly income now. We will show you how you could easily earn an extra $3,000 to $5,000 or more per month income in the matter of months, doing just part-time work, all from the comfort of your own home. Let me introduce you to our company called Wealth Step by Step. Wealth Step by Step is a worldwide business opportunity, and the cost to join as a member is just $28 to start, and then $28 per month products purchase. For your $28 monthly products purchase, you'll get their email autoresponder and customizable lead capture page. Wealth Step by Step email autoresponder can hold up to 5,000 leads. The customizable lead capture page lets people choose how they want to be contacted, whether by email, text, or phone. Their customizable lead capture page is also one of the best in the industry. It is sure to capture leads and grow any business. Now, let's talk about money. Wealth Step by Step has a 3x7 forced matrix compensation pay structure, which means that with each new Wealth Step by Step member that joins the business, can only have 3 members on their front line. If a Wealth Step by Step member personally enrolls more than 3 new members into the business, those members will be considered spillover and will be placed in the next available position within your group of the Wealth Step by Step member that doesn't have their 3 members on their front line yet. This is true team building and a very powerful concept. Also, each new member that you personally enroll in the business will earn you a one-time $25 fast start bonus. Example: personally enroll just 5 new members into the business. Earn a total of $125 in fast start bonuses. Personally enroll just 25 new members into the business. Earn a total of $625 in fast start bonuses. You get the picture. You will also earn commission within your 3x7 matrix as new members join your team and pay their $28 monthly products purchase. A completely filled 3x7 matrix pays a total of $9,873 per month in commission. Let me ask you a question. What would an extra $9,873 per month income pay for? How about the monthly payments on a brand new car or truck? Or how about paying the monthly mortgage payments on that dream home you have always wanted? Or maybe use the extra cash per month to pay off the balance of those high credit card debts. And just so you know, all commission earned will be paid by the 10th of the month for the previous month and paid to you through the option of Cash App, Zelle, Wise.com, or Bitcoin Cash. Now that you understand how the Wealth Step by Step pay plan pays, you're probably wondering and thinking, how am I going to introduce others to the business opportunity? Simple. Just share this video presentation with others. We have implemented a highly responsive, turnkey direct mail postcard marketing system to help you expose the Wealth Step by Step business opportunity to hundreds or even thousands of people. This is how the postcard system works. When your prospects have received your postcard, they will visit our team website to watch this exact same video presentation that you are watching right now. You see, once your prospects see how simple the business opportunity is and how simple it will be to earn a life-changing income each and every month from home, they'll be ready to get signed up as a Wealth Step by Step member. You will never have to personally sell anything or explain the business opportunity to anyone. It just doesn't get any easier than this. So, if you are unhappy with your present financial situation and are looking for more, then consider the Wealth Step by Step business opportunity. We believe there is no other business opportunity that can offer as much potential for wealth, personal growth, security, and freedom of time with so little risk. Get back with the person who have introduced you to this explosive business opportunity to get signed up as a Wealth Step by Step member today. You have been given the business opportunity that could financially change your life and the life of your family for the good. But only you must decide right now whether or not to take advantage of it.